This is the ILIFE G9 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. It sells for only around 150 euros, which is really budget friendly. Despite its low price, it doesn't compromise on performance. It comes with a self-emptying station, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, 3000 per suction, Alexa, Google Home support, and much more. So in this video, let's take a closer look, starting with unboxing. Out of the box, we have the dust station. So it has one dust bag here. We'll take a closer look later. And then we have the ILIFE G9 Pro. 2 side brushes and a chunky manual. All right, multi languages. Warranty card. Okay, basically that's it. ILIFE, refresh your life. Obviously, this is start or pause button, and we have the front bumper, charging contacts, and this should be the port for connecting dust. Move to the bottom, we have the mop. This is the 2-in-1 container. It contains a water tank and also a dustbin. Side brush, they have 2 extra side brushes as well. The main wheel and omnidirectional wheel. A bunch of sensors, and that's it. Very simple. Feels lightweight. And now let's just put the thing to use. Alright, so this is the app. So we have the recharge, start, and remote control at the front page. Okay, that is fun. Even I don't use it for mopping or sweeping, I just can use it as a toy. Alright, let's just pause it. And let's go back to recharge. Okay, cool. As you can see, it managed to go back to recharge by itself, which is quite good. Anyway, let me just walk you through the app really quickly. So click the settings, we have the real-time app here. You can schedule time you want to clean history maintenance. This is great. Like you can see the consumables, when to switch, when to swap, or water usage, cleaning mode. And yeah, that's basically the app. It's very simple, but it got all the things you need. Alright, now let's just test the cleaning ability. Let's start with the dry solid waste. I scattered some nuts, some biscuit crumbs, and even lots of paper bits. Extremely challenging for any vacuum. That is a big pile of waste to be cleaned. At first, I thought this would be a mission impossible for the G9, but to my surprise, the 3000 per powerful suction actually did a fairly decent job. I wouldn't say it cleaned everything, but as you can see, in one cleaning session, it removed at least 90% of the debris, leaving only a few small pieces of paper and 1 or 2 nuts. Then I launched the second cleaning, and it managed to suck up all the remaining waste. One feature you definitely wouldn't expect on such a budget-friendly vacuum cleaner is the self-emptying station. After each session, it can then suck the waste into the station. Hear the noise if you're interested. And here's what's left in the dustbin after suction. It's great to see it suck almost everything into the station, so you don't have to clean the dustbin and the cleaner yourself. And you know what? It has a mopping function as well. I spare some Coke and mop it all up. Then upgrade the challenge by sparing some chili oil and ketchup. On the first pass, it managed to clean the spills but left some trails, as you can see from the video. Then I started another mopping session and cleaned everything. That is really not bad for such a well-priced vacuum. So to wrap up the review of the ILIFE G9, with just around 150 euros on Geekbuying, it comes with 3000 per powerful suction, 2-in-1 vacuum and washing, and especially the self-emptying station. I just can't ask for more. There are more cool functions like a smart and intuitive app, and up to 100 minutes of runtime, which I will leave for you to explore. In short, if you want to try an entry-level vacuum with all the possible fancy features you've ever dreamed of without breaking the bank, this ILIFE G9 is definitely the one to go for. If you're interested, but check the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.